guys, this is Minor Bros with our very first episode ever. So we're just gonna do some parkour building. Oh yeah, a bit. Not really many. What is this? What is this? Oh my God! It's an enemy.
And Howard the horse.
Not Howard. Not Howard. Come here, Howard. Come here.
Howard, this is your fateful time.
Yes! Ah! Now get in the hole. Get in the hole.
But I'm said minor.
No.
I'm not here.
No. Okay, guys, we're going to start doing the parkour building right now. Alright. Let's see. What kind of block?
Diamond.
No, redstone. Redstone. No, no.
Oh yeah, and we have a guest. His name is Mr. W. Leo. I really hope the audio.
It's gonna work! See, guys, we've tried recording this like 3 other times, and the audio wasn't working for Bandicam, so we're trying again.
And it's highly sad because this is our first video, and we just kind of feel that we need to make an impression.
Yeah, we need to make good videos for you guys, because you're the YouTubers, you want good stuff.
Well, we're also YouTubers.
Well,
I'm a
you're the
YouTuber.
YouTube viewers, I think.
And
Whatever
as you
you
can
are.
see, G minor, we are the minor.
Except for Mr. W. Leo.
He's just a guest, he'll be the new for the channel.
Yeah.
So we can just like,
He'll come on
tease
and
him.
off. He's not really going to be in each video. But D minor and I'm G minor, will be in each video. Each and every one. Unless I do some kind of tutorial. Because we won't just be doing Minecraft. We will be doing stuff like Maya, Blender, all that kind of stuff with other games.
We are.
And if we can get to like 5 likes, I will record. Yeah, we're desperate. I'll record a TF2 gaming session.
And if anyone knows the G minor and D minor from school,
Or whatever.
yeah, just
Give us a
comment.
shout out.
Yeah, give us a shout out. Leave a comment just saying I know you from school, and just be a friend and give us a like. Cause I feel like it. So
We feel like getting likes because we need them.
and we're not gonna do just creative like this.
We'll do survival, whatever's.
And I'm gonna be doing.
How are you gonna get up that?
Yeah, that's Garrett. That's a 2-block jump right there.
Take that out.
Oh yes.
Unless we give the guy jump boost doing this.
Yeah.
Nah.
But like, I'm gonna be doing different stuff. I'm gonna be doing a survival. I'm hoping to do some adventure maps with G minor.
Yeah. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff just for you guys.
And as you could see, Howard the horse was first when we were practicing was a donkey. We were gonna do that as
We wanted to get
like a
you
wall.
idiot. You're gonna make us lag. You're gonna lag out the computers.
What?
Ah!
Don't
Go away.
Don't worry.
Go away,
I'll
Money the
try-
Mushroom.
I'll track them
Money?
away.
Money. His name is Money.
Come on,
But
guys.
how
Come
can
on.
you tell?
Follow the lead. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I don't think they follow weed. I think they follow mushrooms.
Let's try that.
What?
Milk them for mushroom stew with bowls.
I have a solution. Death. Death is always the solution in Minecraft. Like the skeletons and everything. Your solution is you kill them again. To their face.
Now, guys, we're gonna be making maps like this. We're kind of trolls, a little bit, just a
Follow
little.
in the lava.
So,
Follow me in the lava.
if you guys ever find
Map.
yourselves playing one of our maps that we're going to be downloading at some point, we are just keep in mind that you shouldn't do checkpoints. No checkpoints.
Yeah.
No
Checkpoints for us.
Checkpoints for us are
Yeah,
trolls.
we're the cool kids. What? Die in the lava. Yes. No.
Um,
Or just die.
checkpoints. This, you might see us doing checkpoints in this because we want to make a good impression on you guys. But if you like trolling, just leave it in the comment section.
And if you want to see more of us being nuked with 2 zeros, go
Yeah.
ahead, subscribe.
Subscribe.
But if you don't want to see me torturing a villager, then just dislike this.
Dislike the video. It's your opinion. That'll let us know if we make good videos or not.
It'll make us realize our mistakes. But I feel this is making
Your mistakes?
Sure.
You mean your mistakes?
Kinda like this.
Don't make mistakes.
Don't make mistakes on this,
Baby
please.
villager.
It's the first video. The cows are lagging us out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the recording until we can get all these cows out of the way. Hey guys, we're back, and we cleared out most of the cows, I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just gonna get on building the parkour. I don't really think I have anything else to talk about right now, so we'll
How's your
just.
lives?
You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Whoever said I was.
I did.
I'm making my rainbow.
Hey guys, we're back. We D Miner had some technical difficulties. He had to disconnect. So we're just gonna be playing with Mr. W. Leo. I said I want to drop her. I said I want to drop her. Ugh. Because I need a lever to make it dispense the water. What is that? Okay, no checkpoints. Ha, we're evil. Alright, guys. So, that was the end of this video. Stay tuned for part 2.